has snowed, so we are going to do a photo shoot right over there. Hello. Okay, so this week's video is going to be vlog style. First off, I finally painted my nails and I measured them. They're 3/4 of an inch long, and I also was able to paint the underneath. And it snowed today. Did you hear that? It was so nice. Okay, so I already have my base face. Today, we'll be doing a little photo shoot, and I'm going to be transforming into Martha May Whovier as much as I can. So first is makeup and then modify a garment to be more festive. Why am I doing this photo shoot? Well, at Cast Detroit on Instagram, they have a photo contest every month, and this month's theme is movie magic, iconic Christmas movies. And for me, The Grinch starring Jim Carrey is favorite Christmas movie, I think. I just have to do my eyeshadow now, and I actually have some half false eyelashes because she has like a very winged out look. I made my nose as small as I can make it look. She doesn't really have the whole Who face eyes. And then for my hair, I have a cup. I already tested this out, and I might have to wait to do that after we do the garment. That might be like the last thing I do because it's not very sturdy. But yeah, I'm gonna switch to time lapse as I focus on eyeshadow. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Wonderful, classy background. So we got these little half lashes. They're magnetic, which is awesome. A red lip. I drew my mole back in because she has one too. Lots of highlighter. Green and gold situation going on. Very over the top, just like Martha May. Like, this is what she looks like when she goes to sleep. Time to go to bed. Welcome to my bedroom floor. This is such a weird angle. So here is the nice long floofy skirt, which I'm so glad it's floor length because I can keep my long pants on. But here is the top. It's not incredibly festive, so we're gonna add this onto it with pins. Oh wow, I even have white safety pins. How perfect is that? So I'm going to start. Last pin is in. I am going to change and then do my hair. Here's the grand reveal. Tell me I do not look like Martha May. Wow, and I'm wearing pants. Okay, we're gonna shoot really fast because I'm freezing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take a break, but I'm probably not gonna make you watch anymore because I'm freezing. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh, so warm. So much warmer. Well, that is a wrap. My cup is starting to wander, but yeah, I turned myself into Martha May. Look at the snow behind me and the Christmas lights and this outfit. Like, it looks like I should be hosting a Christmas special of some time. Also, I kind of look like one of those holiday Barbie dolls. This cup is not staying, so I'm gonna hold one hand out. I think we'll look through some of the photos. And then maybe I'll pop the edited ones like on the screen in a little montage at the end. Got the camera. This is my first time with my sister. I'd never shot in manual with flash, so this is my first time messing with the settings for that. But I think they turned out well. Here, I'm gonna get kind of close. So you can't see them very well, but I'm just gonna go through them really quick. It's really cool because some of the photos are like out of focus because they were focusing on snowflakes, and then other ones you can really see the snowflakes in, and it's so magical. And I am just very happy with how they turned out. Yes. So yes, those are how the photos turned out. This is about to like literally fall off of my head. yeah, if you want to see next Sunday's shenanigans, subscribe. If you liked this video, give it a like and comment down below if I should transform myself into other characters. It seems to be something I quite enjoy doing because for the most part I just live in leggings and a sports bra and a sweater. But yeah, I'll see you again soon. Bye! I have to go find the Grinch. But for now, ta-ta!